If you searched how to buy shares of Vitec Software Group AB publ, this quick guide walks through the practical steps to find and buy that stock. Vitec is a Swedish software company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker VITb.ST. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To place an order, you will need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Open the platform search and type the ticker VITb.ST to locate the Vitec listing. Make sure the result clearly references Vitec Software Group AB publ before selecting it. On the asset page, check the company description and the price chart to confirm it is the correct Vitec stock. Verify the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker VITb.ST before continuing. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform screens shown in this video.